Up first this evening, shabby roadwork or mishap. The question after a section of Paddington Terrace in St. Andrew collapsed after a bout of rain yesterday.
The National Works Agency NWA has since declared it is not responsible for the recent work done in the area. So who is?
Kerry-Ann Simpson has the details.
Heavy-duty equipment arriving at Paddington Terrace in St. Andrew. This was the scene in the area Thursday, motorists skillfully trying to avoid the middle of the road, driving on the sidewalk instead.
Vehicular traffic has been restricted on Paddington Terrace in St. Andrew. This is the aftermath of little over an hour of rainfall. A section of the roadway sank. Interestingly, work was done on this road a few weeks ago.
So how did it come to this? National Works Agency Communications Manager Stephen Shaw explains.
So we did allow a contractor or developer to do work on Ligani Avenue and a bit of Paddington Terrace. This was as a result of some arrangement between the developer and the National Water Commission, where the developer wanted to make a connection to the NWC's sewer system.
At the same time, questions have been raised as to why the project was not supervised by the NWA.
The supervision would have been between the developer and the NWC. We would have, of course, had an interest, and we would have done our own checks just to ensure that the areas would have been backfilled and so on.
As to what caused the road to collapse.
It could have been that the line, I'm not sure if it is in operation just yet. It could have been the source. There's also the likelihood that there was a compaction issue at play. And with the downpours over the last couple of days, the areas, or the area in particular that we're focusing on just now, would have settled. What I can assure you is that we will ensure that whenever the permanent works are going to be done, we will have some input in how those activities are going to be carried out.
Just yesterday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced in his contribution to the budget debate that developers who damage national infrastructure will be slapped with impact fees. It's unclear if the developer in question will be fined.
These two trucks behind me are standing by with material to begin road repair. It's not sure how long this road will be inaccessible. Kerry-Ann Simpson for TVJ News.